Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am at Dollar General and I am going to show you a quick little $5 challenge that you can do, and we are going to get some really nice household essential items that we definitely could use. Now, one of the deals that I am going to show you is a swag bucks deal. I've never done a swag bucks deal at Dollar General, and I know the coupon community is very divided amongst the opinion on swag bucks. As of right now, I'm still on team swag bucks, and I will still bring deals that involve that app, but it is like all the other apps and all the other deals that we do, it is use at your own discretion. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Sarah and I like to show you how to save money couponing. So if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're grabbing is the Oxiclean spray cleaners. We are grabbing 4 of these. We're going to grab 2 of the Daily Clean spray cleaners, and then we're going to grab 2 of the 3-in-1 deep clean bottles as well. There's no promotion in store for these, but if you have a 3 off of 15 digital coupon, you can use that on these. I did not have one of those coupons, and that's okay. So the total for these 4 bottles is going to equal out to $16. You're going to pay that, but then you're going to submit your receipt to Swagbucks, and you're going to get back $16. The offer shows buy 2, get back 800 Swagbucks, which 100 Swagbucks equals $1. But if you look at the offer, it says that you can do this deal twice. So when you buy 4 of these, you will get back $16. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Checkout 51, and you can claim it on Checkout 51 up to 5 times. But there's an offer for 94 cents back on one of these bottles. So that makes these free and a $4.76 moneymaker. Absolutely an incredible deal. And let me know if you've used this type of cleaner before. So then we're going to grab a few more things while we're here, because there are some high value coupons that I want to take advantage of. So I'm going to grab 3 of the Safeguard hand soaps. These are $3 a piece, and we are going to grab 3 of them. There's a high value 5 off of 3 digital coupon that is attaching to these. It also attaches to quite a bit of items. I personally was going to grab 3 of the Ivory body washes for $1.50 a piece to get 50 cents in overage, but there weren't any on the shelf. There is another item that it will attach to, but these would be $4 for 3 bottles after that coupon. It also attaches to these little 2 packs of Olay bar soap. So if you want to get that instead, you can, but I opted for the hand soap. Then we're going to grab some Colgate toothpaste. These are $1.75 a piece, and they're way down low, and there's a ton of them like deep in the shelf there. So I grabbed 3 of them, and on the shelf there it says they are 2 for $3, and so that will apply even if you get a third one. And so the 3 of these, will cost $4.75. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that attaches to these. There's a ton of other kinds that it attaches to that are $1.75. So that would make these 3 free and a 25-cent moneymaker. And even if you don't use this type of toothpaste, you can definitely donate it, because there are people that like this type of toothpaste. Then we're going to grab one more thing, and that's going to be the Dawn Power Wash. I wanted the kind with the handle, but I'll take the refill for $3.95, and there's a $1 off digital coupon for this. I am absolutely in love with this stuff, so I definitely pick it up when we have a coupon for it. We actually have $1 off insert coupons for that as well in the October P&G. So this is everything that I am grabbing. It's going to equal out to $21.70. And we're going to go to the kitchen table, and I'm going to explain Swagbucks a little bit more to you guys. All right, guys, so we are back in from Dollar General, and this is everything that I grabbed, and this couldn't have gone better. Now, I'll show you my receipt here, and it will be $5 more, because on the way out the door, I grabbed a cute little Halloween decoration, and I didn't think to put it on a separate transaction. There is that. But I'll talk about the Oxiclean in just a second, but I'm actually glad that I got the hand soap instead of the body wash, because I think we'll use that more than that body wash. So let's talk about the Oxiclean. So I wanted to talk a little bit more in detail about this Oxiclean deal. So these are not on any type of a promotion at Dollar General, but they are priced at $3.75 a piece. Now you can buy just 2 of these or you can buy 4 of these, but 4 of them will equal out to $15. Now, when you submit your receipt to Swagbucks, when you buy 2 of them, you will get back $8 and you can do the deal twice. So if you buy 4 of them, you will get back $16. So you pay $15 in store, but you submit your receipt to Swagbucks and you get back $16, making it a $1 moneymaker. You can also submit your receipt to Checkout 51 and get back another 94 cents on each one of these. And it makes these a $4.76 moneymaker, which is huge. Now, the good thing about this deal on Swagbucks doesn't expire until like November 10th, I think it is. And it says that you can do this deal, you can max it out once per month. And tomorrow is a new month and it's Saturday with a 5 off of 25. So you could put this in your 5 off 25 deal with your other items and it can be a really, really good deal as well. Now, say you did this whole transaction in store on a Saturday with a 5 off of 25, then the whole transaction would end up being like a $3 moneymaker. So hopefully there is enough stock in store for me to do it again on Saturday. I don't know. I don't know how familiar people are with Swagbucks around here, so we'll see. Toothpaste is something I wanted to touch on as well because I was not aware of this, but the toothpaste are $1.75 a piece, but on the shelf, it says they're 2 for $3. So when you buy 2 of them, they'll be $3 a piece. But then when you buy a third one, it'll still take the discount off of that one as well. So instead of these equaling out to $5.25, it will equal out to $4.75. So what it'll do is it'll take off 25 cents off of one and 25 cents off of another one because of that 2 for $3 all the time deal that they have going on. So then you use that 5 off 3 coupon and it will make these free and a 25-cent money maker. So this is the kind that I got and it will work with this totally fine. There are other kinds that work with it, but so just scroll through your app and see what attaches and look for the stock that your store has. Now, speaking of stock, typically around here on the app, it's pretty accurate with the items that they have in stock. So it said that the store that I went to had 6 bottles of the Ivory body wash, and the Ivory body wash would equal out to $4.50, and then that 5 off 3 coupon would make them a 50-cent moneymaker. But there was none on the shelf. They were unloading a crap ton of boxes and crates and things like that, so I'm sure it was mixed in with that. But I'm actually happier that I got the Safeguard soap instead because I love this stuff. And it's a huge bottle for $3. So those attached to that coupon, there are $9, and then the $5 coupon comes off, making it $4 for 3 things of hand soap, which I think is a really, really good deal. So let's take a look at the receipt. So like I said, I bought a little tchotchke here, so please don't mind that. And here is the Colgate at $1.75, and there's the $5 digital coupon. And then here is a store discount for 25 cents off because of that 2 for 3 promo that is always going on. Then there's the Dawn Power Wash. I really wanted the one with the handle, but they didn't have any. Then here is the Safeguard and the Safeguard coupon. Then here are all the Oxicleans, and they're $3.75 a piece. And here is my total. It's $26.70, but we'll take away that little $5, and it would be $21.70. And there is where I saved $11.50. So our total is $21.70. I got back $16 on Swagbucks and $3.76 on Checkout 51, making all of these items here just $1.94. So happy with that. And now I have that money in my Swagbucks account. I can just cash out to PayPal, and that money, I can do it in a $10 increment, I do believe. That money will just be over in my PayPal account. It does take a few days, but once you do a deal that is giving back this much Swagbucks is what they call it, then So that is all I have for you guys today for my Dollar General video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions about swag bucks, leave it down below and I will do the best that I can to help you. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.